Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. Welcome back. I'm Ms. Nene. Today I am going to be working on a 16 by 20 canvas. I already laid down my black paint. I'm just popping the bubbles here. I'm using just a few colors today, mostly greens and gold. I want to also let everybody know that there are links in the description for coupon codes for 15% off Arteza products. And some links to different products that I use when I'm painting or crafting or whatnot, just different things that I use so that you don't have to search for them. They'll be listed in the description below. I hope everyone's doing okay out here in this crazy world with this coronavirus just everywhere, scaring everybody. But please be safe, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, and I'll be back near the end. Okay, well, I am done. Um, at first, I wasn't really all that happy with it. I just felt like it was too dark and patchy in other areas. But, I mean, and that could be good too, if that's what you're looking for. And I wasn't. I was trying to get more of the gold and the green to distribute a little bit more. But as it dried, I realized that even in those little dark areas, they do light up in the sun. You can see the green and you can see the gold under certain lighting. Then I thought that's really cool, really cool. And even more so after it's varnished. So I'm really happy. But I would love to hear, I'd love to read your comments on this particular painting, see what you think about it, how it turned out. Also, I want to remind you that I do have a 15% off discount code for Arteza, for 15% off anything on their website. I get a lot of my paintings there. And don't forget to like this video if you like it, subscribe, even better, and hit the notification button so you know when I'm uploading something like this, because I love to create, so I'm doing it almost every day. So here is the varnished. Doesn't it look amazing? I mean, I know it's not the best lighting in this room, but it looks really good. And it does bring out more of the metallics in this painting, and it makes it make the black even more pronounced. But then you can see those other gold metallic colors like peeking through that black. So yeah, I have to say that I'm very happy with this. But don't forget to leave me some comments so I know what you think. So I'm going to go ahead and just thank you guys again for watching my video, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Please take care and be safe out there. Bye-bye.